Anyone with a YouTube channel can temporarily hide or permanently delete their YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how. To hide or delete your channel or your channel's content, follow these steps. Sign into YouTube Studio. From the left sidebar, choose Settings. Select Channel and then Advanced Settings. At the bottom of the page, choose Remove YouTube Content. You will then be taken to a page to enter your sign-in details. If you'd like to hide your YouTube channel, select I want to hide my content and follow the steps. If you want to delete your YouTube channel, select I want to permanently delete my content and follow the steps. Note that these steps will only delete your YouTube channel, not your Google account that you use to sign in with. Now let's go over the difference between hiding and deleting your channel. Hiding your channel will make the channel's name, videos, likes, subscriptions, and subscribers private. However, all of your comments and replies will be permanently deleted. Your account data on other Google properties will not be removed. If you want to re-enable your channel, follow these steps to turn your channel back on. Sign in to your YouTube account. Click on your profile icon, then select Create a Channel to restore your channel. Next, a pop-up screen will appear with your profile information. Finally, select Create Channel to complete the process and make your content visible. Deleting your YouTube channel will permanently delete all content tied to your channel, including videos, comments, messages, playlists, and history. If you're sure you want to delete your channel, consider downloading all of your videos beforehand. After you delete your channel, the channel URL and name will no longer be visible or searchable in YouTube Analytics. However, you may continue to see thumbnails of your videos on YouTube, as it may take some time for your channel to be permanently deleted. If you'd like to learn more about removing a YouTube channel from your account, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.